Hey, dear friends, this is GK from your weekly investment channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today is March 8th, 2023. The markets are closed now. Today was the second day Fed Chair Powell was talking with the lawmakers. However, the market's reaction was very limited to Fed Chair's speech, and the markets were holding on to the levels. The markets were basically directionless. Something that is worth pointing out today is that oil has gone down second day and VIX is the lowest, which means the fear index is very, very low. Let's quickly look at S&P 500 intraday action and trends. This is the S&P 500 intraday chart. So it has started somewhere 930, 398, kind of bounced up a little bit and it gave up all the gains to go to 396, which is the lowest of today, and managed to get back up 399. So just trying to look at monthly chart, right? This is a monthly chart, and if you look at it, it's this is a channel. The one in the green is the channel where the SPY has traded last month. 416, that's the highest, just barely made it, and 391 is the lowest. So kind of they are supporting this 16 and about 16 plus $8 range, that is $24 range. If you look at it, it's on the bottommost channel, somewhere in the lowest category. So if you look at this channel, but pretty much if you look out on the daily chart for 1 year, I think it is still on the uppermost. If you look at the middle of the channel, is somewhere around 375, 376, right? So definitely it is trying to set some trend. I still feel it's a long way to really say if it is bearish. So if you are an intraday trader, you probably have some strategy how to make money. But long-term traders definitely have your strategy in place and continue with that. Let's look at Nasdaq intraday. Nasdaq intraday opened at 296. High was 298, barely like a $2 spread, not even $2. And low was 294 and closed at 297. So it has gained $1, but definitely flat. If you look at the monthly and the chart with the channel drawn, highs to lows, the highs are at 309 and lows is 288, and it is like 12 plus 9, about $21 range. And again, it's a monthly, so definitely if you look at on a daily chart, daily and yearly, so definitely it is not on the top of the channel, right? Again, yeah. So this is nowhere near what SPY is doing. So definitely Nasdaq is weaker. Um, all the techs have proven that they are pretty much weaker with higher interest rates. Let's look at semiconductor index actions. This is the SOX index intraday, right? It is definitely higher than yesterday, right? It has really gained 2.67%, right? Definitely looks interesting. Coming at 9:30, it was 2980, and then it closed at 3041 and trading at 3044 at some point. So definitely SOX is being very strong, and I would say that some of the top contributors, one of them is AMD. Um, just want to know what NVIDIA is doing. Right, NVIDIA has also gained pretty much 3.83%. Oh, that's good. Qualcomm 1.69%. Intel, what did Intel do? 1.76%, yeah. Uh, let's look at applied materials. Same 1.56%, not much. Texas Instruments. Okay, Texas Instruments 2.42%, right? The semiconductor index has performed very well. That's interesting. Finally, let's look at commodities action. Crude oil action was very, very narrow. I think it went up to $77 and $76. Not much of action here, but definitely on a daily trend, it has gone down, right? So we are looking at somewhere the lowest, right? So definitely crude is weaker. I want to see gasoline, how it is performing, is weaker as well. Natural gas, slightly weaker, and gold is weaker as well. So net commodities are not strong. SOX index, the semiconductor, was the strongest, and the markets were flat. So wrapping up today's action, the markets are flat, commodities are weakest, and the VIX is the lowest. Thank you. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Cheers.